If you're a teacher looking to purchase products for your class, you will need to create an account. There are two ways to do this. If you have an account with a learning management system, also known as an LMS, you can create an account on this site by authenticating through the LMS. Common LMSs include Google Classroom, Schoology, and Instructure Canvas. More info on how to log in with each LMS can be found in the link in the description. If you don't use an LMS, you can still create an account by adding the product you want to your cart, as shown here. Select I don't have an LMS listed above, and fill out your details to create an account. Also, if you don't use an LMS, but you do have a school-assigned Gmail, Microsoft OneDrive, or Outlook account, you can create an account that is authenticated with your email credentials. More info on how to log in with your Gmail or Microsoft email can be found in the link below.